a woman of courage, of faith, of strength.
We were on her side, even though it was a very unpopular move during the time, before the other members of the armed forces. But we joined her because we believe that she was the right person to lead the Filipino nation at that time.
Minsan, hindi nababahiran ng anumang katiwalian o anumang pang-abuso sa panunungkulan.
Oh, she's been like a mother to the Philippines, to all Filipino people. We love her.
Ang nangyari ganito, as I've said, nagkakaroon nga ng continuous regular check-up si Presidente tulad ng pagpasok niya sa Asian Medical Center, mayroong nakita na something sa kanyang breast at sa kanya sa may groin. So, nung nag-check up na siya sa this time, so that's why binayopsy yung nakita na yon sa breast niya at saka sa groin niya. I mean, you can look at her if she's the type who has a breast implant. Makita niyo naman kung halata naman yung mga babaeng mayroong implant at wala. Yung mga sexy actress dyan na mga malalaking boobs, yan ang may mga implant. Hindi naman natin masasabi kay Presidente yan.